Dale of the tape for Gennady Головкин against David Lemieux. It's now or never for Головkin as he himself.
And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the blue corner, with his head trainer, Mark Ramsey, with 27 KOs in 3 rounds or less. From Montreal, Quebec, Canada, presenting the reigning, defending IBF middleweight champion of the world, mesdames et messieurs, Davit. Introducing first, fighting out of the red corner, with head trainer Abel Sanchez, standing 5 feet 10.5, with 17 KOs in 3 rounds or less, and he has won 20 consecutive fights by knockout. He's recognized with having the greatest KO percentage in middleweight championship history from Karaganda, Kazakhstan, and California, USA, the reigning, defending, undefeated interim WBC, IBO, WBA, middleweight champion of the world, Gennady Triple G Головкин.
Good evening, gentlemen. You both see the instruction. Everything below the letters here is going to be low. Tap it up. Here we go.
In an sports that's seen action, this is the most electric Triple G's day.
The official attendance in the Garden tonight, and here we go. Any one punch could end this fight at any moment. Two fighters, because Lemieux isn't much of a jabber. He works. Lemieux reaching with a body shot, letting Lemieux in.
That jab, make him negate that first.
CompuBox knows he's landing his jab, and Lemieux hasn't landed much of anything. So keeping him back. Jab, right hand.
Take Lemieux out of the fight early by backing him up with that jab, making him fight uncharacteristically of himself.
You see the amazing number already from CompuBox. He's landed more than 20 jabs in the round.
He has to load up on the home run left hook. He's done it once.
Right hand to the body by Головkin. Hasn't really tried to get close. Another body shot for Lemieux. Relationship with Russ Anber and brought in Ramsey. And the general consensus, Lemieux trying to be more aggressive in this round, lands a jab. And gets in. Landed 26 jabs in round 1, which is simply colossal.
Of course, we knew that, though.
Yep, he's outclassed me by hook.
The first body shot from Triple G will be interesting, too.
Look at the jab. Right hand. You trying various ways of trying to get past the jab. Hasn't managed to do it with any. He's not missing.
It's not a normal jab Головkin throws.
Kind of like Kovalev's jab.
It snaps.
Little left hook lands for Головkin. Jab lands. Right hand was blocked, but knocked Lemieux back a little bit anyway. Головkin almost
caught him. It seems to me was able to roll it with his shoulder and make it glance off.
Now the question is, will a frustrate coming in? Body shot by Головkin. Right hand lands. Right hands again. Knocks Lemieux into the ropes. Left hook for Головkin. Right hand lands again. Phenomenal accuracy.
Lemieux has never had to fight at this pace before in his life, I guarantee you.
Hard right hand by. Well, if the first round was good, this one was even better for Gennady Головkin.
Lemieux was trying to box to load up against Головkin to at least give yourself a chance to land something big.
This is live by the gun, die by the gun. The best time for him
to make bad decisions. Matthew Macklin was quite articulate, particularly by the jab.
You got to give him for his first title defense.
There's Lemieux trying to do it the right way, coming in.
He wants to try to win it.
And he's earned a lot of respect from keeps coming. Flowing like water. Body shot. Jab again. Jab again.
With that jab.
A very calm David Lemieux agreed with us in the meeting yesterday. His amateur career is much deeper and prolific than mine. It's my job.
Well, he realizes he's going to get hit anyway, so he's saying almost, I may as well.
Left hook.
The right hand, then it's just a jab. To the face. Jab to the face. Jab punching hard so that Lemieux can't land a big punch on him, and he can attack Lemieux first because
3 rounds so far. It hasn't been a Gennady Головkin. who has clearly won what you're doing, and then we'll pick out the moment at which you're going to land the big shot. Harold,
what you said, 3-0, 30-27. Gennady Golovkin, you may say, is totally stupid. You know what's bothering me about this? He's walking in and he's getting blasted by Golovkin's murdering him. I mean, if I were fighting Golovkin, I'd get...
showing so far.
Maybe Lemieux had a plan coming in, and the middleweight division average. 5 times the average of what middleweight fighters throw with the jab.
And that definitely is a game changer.
And talk about getting hit. There was the left hook, and Lemieux is hurt. And here goes Golovkin. Looking to finish already in round up the middle. Left hook again. And here we go. And the Canadian star is hanging in.
According to Hoyle.
Yeah, he's an even bigger underdog now. And it prompts Harold Letterman to say, for instance, I don't even think Lemieux has a plan. Uppercut. What a round. Golovkin.
While blocking a beautiful left hook at the same time. Lemieux threw...
Gennady Golovkin has thoroughly dominated the first 4 rounds. There's a mouse.
Every time he does that, Max.
Jab, which is working perfectly. Landed some power shots in the last round. On the aspect of a potential gradual beatdown. But of course, again, hard right hand for Golovkin. Haven't said his name yet.
Oh, good up.
Hard right hand by Lemieux. Best punch of the fight so far. Vicious body shot with the right hand. Hard left. Golovkin punishing Lemieux for hitting him with a...
His feet are always spread, always set to accept or give
one side or another. And your feet will always be solid underneath you.
Oh, that's solid, John.
Down goes Lemieux. And Golovkin hits while he was down.
6, 7.
First knockdown of the fight. And Lemieux is a few seconds left in the round. That was only the second time, and Lemieux was by Marco.
Chocolatito, head, then followed by a beautiful body shot. Left body shot, saw him go down, but this was a bad punch. I would have put that punch.
That's right. You already did get disqualified for that punch against Montel Griffin.
Might have got banned from boxing for that.
But for Golovkin, there's no...
Tells you Golovkin's mentality here. He knows this is the fight that is the...
Only the second time in his career he's tasted the canvas. There's another by Golovkin. Lemieux backs into the ropes. Golovkin's chin. And that momentarily shook up.
Now Lemieux starting to throw caution to the wind increasingly. Chance. And as Roy said earlier, it may be too late.
Lemieux lands another. He's coming into harm's way and giving Golovkin the chance to land power shots also. There's the left. Somewhere Montel is watching. I didn't do that.
That's why I said we good now.
I thought.
We've seen this.
And that was a good body shot by Lemieux just then, though.
Might have been low, but it was a good idea.
Yeah, it was a wonderful idea.
And more hittable after scoring a knockdown when he's following
Lemieux out.
Just who he is.
Another big left hook lands for Lemieux.
Even by itself.
Uppercut for Lemieux. Golovkin catches him coming in with a left. Catches him.
Oh, good up.
And a right hand uppercut to punctuate the round. Round 7 begins. We're halfway through the fight. Harold
his eyes. I mean, you know, it's hurting his vision. And anything. Beautiful left jab, right hand combinations. He gets an extra point for the knockdown in round number.
You see that Lemieux is regarded as model handsome. That hair is important to him. That haircut is important.
Not at all. Good hook by Triple G.
Right hand by Triple G.
His nose.
And ruining his concentration. As I said, supposed to do.
Good body shot.
Good body shot by Lemieux.
Left hook and then another one.
Hard right hand by Golovkin. Lemieux is hurt against the ropes.
Turn Lemieux sideways.
Cornered. Another right hand lands. Not hard. But out of respect for both, it's hard to imagine there'll be a premature stoppage. I think
he's in the fight.
But he can't get away from the jab.
He's in the fight.
Try to have your blocking position, okay? Once he sends you twice, try to be back.
His corner between rounds, watching him, trying to figure out whether there's a reason to stop David Lemieux.
Head still goes on. A lot of us never expected Lemieux to last this long. Not only surviving, but having chances with those big punches that he's throwing.
All of that is a form of respect for David Lemieux's punching power.
Punches landed against the fighter. In a sense, that fighter's guy he's fought.
Exactly. Good right hand.
Hard left hook. Hammered. Good right hand by Lemieux, but the uppercut by Головкин drives him back into the ropes. The body shot hurt him again. Steve.
Mismatch beatdown, and Lemieux earned this date tonight. He beats him
by Gennady Головкин.
Yes, it was.
Is there a middleweight out there?
IBO, WBA, interim WBC, middleweight champion of the world, Dame Gospoda, Gennady Triple G.